Hello students. So today we will see the lecture on the antenna radiation pattern and different types of radiation pattern. So in this video we will also see what is isotropic antenna, directional antenna, omnidirectional antenna, then different types of lobe for the antenna, that is major lobe, minor lobes, side lobes and back lobes. So first we will start with the definition of antenna. So antenna is an electrical device which will radiate the electromagnetic energy in the air. So this electromagnetic energy is converted into the electrical energy. So transmitter antenna will transmit the electromagnetic energy, and receiver antenna will receive the electromagnetic energy and convert it into electrical energy, and that electrical energy is given to the different electronic device like mobile, TV and camera. So here we will see what is a radiation pattern. Basically radiation pattern is a graphical representation of radiation which is to be done by the antenna. It will refer to the two regions, that is near field and far fields. Near field, that should be nearer to the origin, and far field, that radiation is far from the origins. So radiation pattern also refer to directional dependence of strength of radio waves from the antenna or other source. So here we will see different types of radiation pattern. So first one we will see what is the isotropic antenna. So isotropic antenna, basically it will emits the electromagnetic energy in all directions. So isotropic antenna, it we will see, we will also call isotropic antenna as ideal antenna, because or we will also use isotropic antenna as a test antenna, because radiation of all the signals in all directions. So here if you see the radiation pattern, so I will take the three coordinate system x, y and z coordinates. So for these three coordinates we have the origin O. So assume the antenna is at the 0 position, that is O position, and the isotropic antenna basically radiates in all directions. So thus it will become like this one. So from here center to this point we have the radius r. So here this is the radiation pattern of isotropic antenna. Then we will see the radiation pattern of a directional antenna. So it will radiates the energy in desired directions. So for this one we will say it is a single direction also antenna. So assume this is a 0. So for this one I will draw like this one. So this is the radiation pattern of directional antenna. So for this one we have the major lobes, these are the side lobes, these are the back lobes, and these are the minor lobes. So if you observe this, this particular antenna will radiate only in z direction, and for other direction the signal radiation will be negligible, or some sort of minor lobes will be created. So this major lobe consists of the signals, while side lobes and minor lobes have a weak signals, and back lobe is basically the reflection on the opposite side of the particular radiation pattern. So afterwards we will see omnidirectional antenna. So this type of antenna basically uh, radiate on a planes. So it will be radiates on a planes. So the graph is like this one. So here it will be radiate on the xz planes. So if you see on the front side, it will be look like a, that is a omnidirectional antenna or bidirectional antenna. So it will be radiate the signal in this direction as well as this direction. So assume this one is front and this one is back direction. So here also some side lobes are created like this one. So these are the side lobes. This is a major lobes and these are the side lobes. So this will be work on the single plane that is xz. So major axis, major lobes, minor lobes, back lobes, side lobes. So today we'll see what is antenna, radiation pattern, definition of radiation pattern, then definition of isotropic antenna, then different radiation pattern. This is all direction, this is a unidirectional or single direction, and this is a omnidirectional. Thank you.